All right, check it. So this is a new sound design technique that I've been playing with recently. It's a lot of fun. So the idea is you've got this arpeggiator, right, that's transposing the note you're playing, and you would bounce this to audio, right? So you would go to audio, you would go to resampling, you'd hit record on both of these, and then, you know, you'd hit this shit, and you could turn up the speed a lot. But then you can draw in numbers here. So a little bit of theory, but you know, if you want more harmonious sounds, you put in like major chord intervals in here. If you want dissonant sounds, like -1 is good, +1 if you're building around 0, right? So if we wanted to make something more harmonious, we could, right, throw in some major. But if we throw in just a -1 or a +1 or something, it's gonna get dark as fuck really fast. Right, we correct those -1s. Right, so 6, plus or minus 6 is a really dark number. That's the tritone. Right, so the more things like 6 that you add, there's like a minor third there. Right, and so this is just kind of like the preset I have going, but there's a bunch of stuff that you could do with this. I'm not a master with Silent yet, but I really like this. I got a copy from one of my friends recently. Shout out to Odyssey 113, fucking raddest dude ever. Really good musician too. Checks out his music. But yeah, so I mean, you can like change the filters and like, you know, all these choruses, phasers, distortion and stuff. I would like load this into a sampler. Okay, so you get the point. So that's all I want to show you. You know, basically really fast arpeggiation so that you can't hear the individual arpeggiated notes and it blends together into a timbre. So you can use the individual steps as kind of like harmonics. And then, except for the more complex than harmonics, because each one has the timbre of the underlying sound, you can resample it, throw it into samplers, all sorts of stuff. All right, peace.